Nice one, guys. So basically I have ginger, some lemon juice, I juice 1 lemon, and some fresh mint, and some apple cider vinegar, honey for option. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna simple how to make this an amazing cup of tea in the morning before your breakfast. You can drink it. All right, now the thing is, this cup of tea is help to get rid of the bad, you know what I mean, bad, to flush you and to detox you and to get rid of the bad toxin out of your body and cleanse up your body. All right, it's a beautiful recipe and I will encourage you guys to give this a try at home. All right, 100% very effective for the body, and I know you guys will love this one. All right, now the thing is, I'm gonna be jump straight into it. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cover it like this, just for it to dissolve a little bit into the water for roughly about 5 to 4 minutes. We're gonna be using some hot water, which is very good and effective for making this an amazing drink. All right, so first thing, we got some fresh mint. We're gonna put some fresh mint inside of it, and the fresh mint have a lot of health benefit. Okay, secondly, we got 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, which we're going to be using. All right, so basically you need to get yourself a portion of mint. All right, so make sure you put 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, which is very good. All right, right there. So we got the mint and the ginger. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pour some hot water. All right, so we're going to put 1 cup of hot water inside of it. All right, with the mint. All right, so once I put in the hot water with the mint, once you put in the hot water with the mint and the ginger, leave that to dissolve and cover it like this for few minutes. All right, that few minutes going to dissolve the liquid and the water together. All right, now this is a very important drink for you guys to drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, as you can see, so you need to just leave it for it to draw. All right, so once it draw, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to it, which is very important. All right, the rest of the ingredients are very important, guys, for you to try this remedy at home. So please tune in and watch this episode. All right, very as I said, you guys definitely can try this one, and trust me, you guys will love it 100%. All right, now what I'm gonna do after I draw it, I'm gonna simply get my cup. All right, I'm gonna get my cup. All right, and then I'm going to simple strain it. All right, yeah, so you're gonna need to strain it. All right, guys, so once a few minutes we're gonna strain it like this. All right, lovely and nice, very good and delicious. And that's it right there when we strain it. Lovely. Now 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it. All right, and also we're going to put 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it. All right, and then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, of 1 teaspoon of honey into it. That's it so far, and that looking good. And then also we're going to put 2 slices of lemon into it. and then we're gonna give it a lovely mix like this. All right, and that is so lovely and nice for you guys to try this recipe at home. So what you want to do, drink 2 times a day. Very good and effective. All right, 100% guys, trust me, you guys definitely will love this. So tune in for more tips and more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, so yeah, that's from Chef Ricardo for the day today. Big up on yourself. What about respect from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned for more tips.